Hey there, Brian Horvath here. I'm excited to be able to share with you another LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And today is probably the first part of a couple-parter, so we'll split it up. But what I want to share with you is how you can be incognito, right? How you can kind of be lurking in the dark out there on LinkedIn with regards to a job search. Okay, what do I mean by that? You don't want your employer, current employer, to know that you're looking. But you do want recruiters to find you, right? You want the right people to find you. You want to make the right connections on LinkedIn. And so I want to share with you how exactly to let recruiters know behind the scenes that you're open for work. And it's not going to involve that big green thing that sits on your profile photo. So let's jump into LinkedIn. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to your LinkedIn profile and head over to this little brown or beige box that says open to work, or maybe it's gray for you, however you want to call it, and click that little pencil there. And you can see a couple cool things. You could see job titles you'd be open to, workplaces you'd be open to, locations you'd be available to, and even remote locations you're open to as well. And then when's your start date? Are you immediately looking? Are you flexible or casually browsing, whatever the case may be. So you can click off those. But then down below, well, actually forgot job types. You have job types too. But down below, you kind of see this little arrow here, this little chevron. You can click that and let folks know, meaning all LinkedIn members, that you're open for a new position, or only recruiters. And so that LinkedIn behind the scenes can allow their algorithms and their software to work and all of their programming to work to allow only recruiters to see you. And so that's a way that you can be incognito in your job search. Click save, and bada boom, bada bing. You don't have that green circle, but you do have recruiters being ready and able to find you. And that's today's 2-minute hot tip.